Hello everyone and welcome to RosieArtStudiosXD, the channel that helps you on your road to becoming a great artist.
Alright everyone, so today's video is a simple and easy anatomy formula for drawing humans. So you want to remember to always start with the head, because the head is the most, in my opinion, the most important and the best place to start when drawing a human. Next, you're going to draw a small oval for the neck. A lot of this is also referenced, like how you see when you look at your body or someone's and the proportion. After drawing for a while, you'll get the proportions down, trust me, but just practice this. Then we're going to draw a sort of trapezoid, and it's going to be a lot bigger than the head, as you can see. And on the top sides of the trapezoid, we're going to do some little ovals for the joints of the shoulders. Okay, now below the trapezoid, we're going to draw a bigger oval that's going to represent the waist. And then connecting to it, there's going to be this super, super thin, it's basically a trapezoid, but kind of a triangle, but it's going to be super thin, as you can see. You're going to want them to go down until they almost touch each other and then make a straight line. And then from there, on almost the bottom of the large oval, that's the waist, we're going to make two lines on both sides. They're also going to represent a trapezoid shape, if you see where I'm going. And that's going to be the hips. And we are going to connect them to that super thin trapezoid. And then at the bottom, close to the end of that trapezoid, we're going to do these two small little circles representing the joints that connect our legs to our hips. Connecting to those small little circles, we are going to add these big, long ovals. Those are going to represent the thighs, and those are going to be for both sides. Now, if you are trying to do like a pose, which I'll show you later, then you're going to like point them in different directions according to the pose that you're trying to do. But for us, we're just going to do a regular, kind of sprawled human pose. So we're going to just put the legs out, and then connecting to the end of those long ovals, we'll do two little circles. Then connecting, we're going to connect another but smaller long oval, representing the lower leg. Then at the end, add two little circles and add a smaller/bigger oval, and that's going to represent the feet. Alright, and connecting to those shoulder joints, we are going to add some little kind of stretched out ovals representing the upper arm, and going to connect little circles. Now remember, the little circles are the points of articulation, where your hand moves. And connecting to those little circles, we're going to have kind of like the lower leg, like these longer ovals, and that's going to be the lower arm. Connecting to those, another pair of small circles, and connecting to those, we're going to do small ovals representing the hand. Okay, and just so I can prove to you that this anatomy does work to, make humans, I am going to draw a couple humans using this formula of anatomy. I'm going to start with drawing just a boy and doing like a cute little pose, and just showing you this stuff, it does work.
And in the beginning of the video, as I showed you the formula for the simple anatomy, the red circled spots are the points of articulation in your body where your body can articulate. Okay, and the next thing that I'm going to draw for the anatomy reference is a little princess. Okay, and so now that we know where our points of articulation are, I'm going to make one more anatomy reference that is going to show almost all of the points of articulation articulating. Oh gosh, that's a mouthful. Okay, and last but not least, we are just shaping our anatomy guide. Now I will most likely be having a more detailed video on the subject of shaping your character after using anatomy, but for now I would just stay to reference, like I am referencing an actual human body where the joints they're usually round, and then for the arms, legs, there is the muscle, so it's slightly curved. But I am planning on making a more detailed video on this subject to help you all out.